subscribe, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session, we're going to start our next exercise. First question, evaluate the following. First one, 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Before starting this one, we should know one thing. So what are the trigonometric identities? So that values we need to know. So based on that, we're going to calculate the remaining solutions. So what is the trigonometric identities is, so sine square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. Then what is another one? Secant square theta minus, so secant we will get it means we will get it here tan square theta, that is also equal to 1. Then what is another one is cosecant square theta minus, so here C is there, for that we will get it. What is the remaining one? Ratio trigonometric, that is cot square theta, that will be equal to 1. So these are the three trigonometric, still more are there, but these are the basic trigonometric identities. So here C is there means for that cot we will get it. So for sine and cos we will get it plus, and remaining two we will get it as minus with tan and cot at the second position. So let's take it this one. So what is our first one here is, so 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta, that into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. So this one, left side and right side, let's going to take it this one, we will get it as, what is that? So let's going to write 1 plus tan theta, we will write it in the format of first one, 1 plus tan theta. Let's going to take, these are the two groups divided into two groups, secant theta, that will be equal to 1 plus tan theta, you can write it in the format of sin theta by cos theta, plus secant theta, we will write it in the format of 1 by cos theta. Let's take LCM of this. So what LCM we will get it here is, we will get it as cos theta, 1 into cos theta, that will be cos theta plus sin theta plus what you can say 1. So cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 by cos theta, we got it. Then what is this again? Let's take 1 plus, so this is first one theta minus cosecant theta, that will be equal to, so 1 plus cot theta you can write in the format of cos theta by what is that, sin theta, minus cosecant theta is what, 1 by sin theta. So let's take LCM, we will get it as sin theta, then write it here. So we will get 1 into sin theta minus plus cos theta minus 1. So this one are the two groups. So let's take these two as product of the both the things. So let's going to write now. So this one is multiplied. So what is that here is 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta, that will be equal to cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 whole divided by cos theta into sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta. So if you take these two as one group and these two as another group, so let's going to take and write it in the format like this. So let's take it as a plus b into a minus b formula. So what is that? Since a plus b into a minus b, so what we will get it here, a square minus b square. So a square minus b square. So that is the formula. Here a is nothing but cos theta plus sin theta, b is nothing but 1. So a square minus b square, that is sin theta plus cos theta whole square, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 whole square whole divided by sin theta into cos theta. So this is the value. So now we will write it this in the format of a plus b whole square. So let's write it this one. So what is that a plus b whole square is? So here sin theta plus cos theta we got. So let's going to write this. So what answer? Sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square whole divided by sin theta cos theta. So what is the a plus b whole square? So a plus b whole square will be a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this is the formula. So for this, what you can write it here is sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 square is 1 whole divided by sin theta cos theta. So this is the value we got it. So since what you can say here is from the value, what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be equal to 1. So this is the formula. So from these two, we can write it 1 plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 1 whole divided by sin theta cos theta. So here plus 1 minus 1 will going to cancel. Then 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta, that is cosine theta. Let's going to cancel these two values. Then what is that? Answer is 2. So like this we have to find it. So here our second one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So this is in the format of a plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. So actually we will get it as 4ab. We will check that one here. So what is the formula here? That is a plus b whole square, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Then what is another one? So another one here is a minus b whole square. So what is that here? Let's take a minus b whole square, write that one also. That is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Let's take it here is sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. So let's going to extend this. Sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta plus, again you can write in this format, sin square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta plus cos square theta. So from trigonometric identities, as we know, what is that? Sin square theta plus cos square theta will be always equal to 1. So let's combine these combinations. So what values we will get it here? So the values will be sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta. So let's going to cancel this one, or otherwise write it once again. That will be plus sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta. So this will going to cancel here. 2 sin theta cos theta and 2 sin theta cos theta will going to cancel. Then what value we will get it here? So for this 1 plus for this again 1. So we will get answer as 2. So like this we need to find. So let's move on to the third one, that is secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. As we know trigonometric functions, what is that? Secant square theta minus tan square theta will be equal to 1. So from this, shift to this one right side and left side, we will get it as secant square theta minus 1 will be equal to tan square theta. Let's take this one from the formula. Then again, once again, one more thing is there. What is that? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta will be equal to 1. So from this also, shift this to the right side and 1 to the left side. That is, cosecant square theta minus 1 will be equal to cot square theta. So this is the formulas. Let's going to take it and substitute here. So that one will be equal to, what is that? Secant square theta minus 1 will be equal to tan square theta into cosecant square theta minus 1 will be equal to cot square theta. So what is this here? Tan square theta. Cot square theta will be taken as tan square theta, 1 by tan square theta, since cot theta will be equal to 1 by tan theta. From this we are written. So this tan square theta will going to cancel. Then what answer we will get? 1. So like this we have to find it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.